In the ancient land of Ur, nestled between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers in present-day Iraq, a child was born destined to become a beacon of faith and monotheism. This child was Hazrat Ibrahim, alayhi salam, who would later be known as Abraham in the Judeo-Christian traditions. From a young age, Ibrahim was different. While others around him worshipped idols made of stone, wood, and metal, he questioned the very essence of these lifeless figures. His sharp intellect and unwavering belief in one true God set him apart from his contemporaries. He pondered deeply about the natural world, the stars, the moon, and the sun, recognizing that these celestial bodies, too, were creations and not worthy of worship. Growing up, Ibrahim could not comprehend how his people, including his own father Azar, could revere objects they had crafted with their own hands. He watched as they offered prayers and sacrifices to these idols, seeking guidance and blessings. Ibrahim saw the futility in their actions and felt a profound sorrow for their misguided beliefs. This realization ignited a burning desire within him to guide his people towards the truth of monotheism, the belief in one unseen God who created and controls everything in the universe. One day, seizing an opportunity when the townsfolk were away for a festival, Ibrahim made his way to the grand temple where the idols stood in their grandeur. With a heavy heart and a resolute mind, he destroyed these idols, leaving only the largest one intact. He placed the axe he used on the shoulder of the largest idol. Upon their return, the people were aghast and demanded to know who had committed this sacrilege. Ibrahim boldly declared that it was the largest idol that had done it, challenging them to see the absurdity in their beliefs. His argument was simple yet profound. If these idols could not protect themselves, how could they offer protection or guidance to anyone? This act of defiance was meant to be a powerful demonstration of the idol's helplessness and the irrationality of idol worship. Word of Ibrahim's audacious act reached Nimrod, the powerful and tyrannical king of the land, who considered himself a deity. Enraged by this defiance, Nimrod summoned Ibrahim to his court and questioned him about his beliefs. Ibrahim fearlessly argued that his Lord was the one who gives life and causes death. To refute him, Nimrod arrogantly claimed he could do the same by ordering the execution of one man and the release of another. Ibrahim countered by stating that Allah brings the sun from the east and challenged Nimrod to bring it from the west, leaving the king speechless. Furious and humiliated, Nimrod ordered Ibrahim to be thrown into a massive fire, intending to make an example out of him. But Allah had a different plan. As Ibrahim was cast into the flames, Allah commanded the fire, "Be coolness and safety for Ibrahim." The fire obeyed, and Ibrahim emerged unscathed, his faith in Allah only strengthened by this divine miracle. This miraculous event left many witnesses in awe, some of whom began to question their own beliefs. Realizing that his mission in Ur had come to an end, Ibrahim set out on a journey, migrating to various lands to spread the message of monotheism. His travels took him to the lands of Egypt and Palestine, where he continued to call people towards the worship of one true God. It was during these travels that Allah blessed Ibrahim with two sons, Ismail and Ishaq, Isaac, through his wives Hajar and Sarah. Each son's birth was a testament to Allah's mercy and favor, especially considering Sarah's advanced age when she bore Ishaq. These sons would go on to play pivotal roles in the continuation of Ibrahim's mission, with Ismail becoming an ancestor of the Arabs and Ishaq the father of the Israelites. However, the ultimate test of Ibrahim's faith was yet to come. Allah commanded him to sacrifice his beloved son, Ismail. This command was a profound test of Ibrahim's obedience and trust in Allah's wisdom, pushing the limits of human faith and submission. Ibrahim, though heartbroken by the thought of losing his son, was unwavering in his commitment to fulfill Allah's decree. With a heavy heart, he conveyed Allah's command to Ismail. Remarkably, Ismail displayed extraordinary maturity and faith, reassuring his father to proceed with Allah's will without hesitation, saying, O my father, do as you are commanded. You will find me, if Allah wills, of the steadfast. Quran 37:102. As Ibrahim prepared to carry out this heart-wrenching command, the scene was one of profound submission and faith. He laid Ismail down and was about to sacrifice him when Allah, witnessing their unwavering devotion, intervened. At that critical moment, Allah called out to Ibrahim, halting the sacrifice and providing a ram to be offered in Ismail's place. This merciful intervention not only spared Ismail's life, but also underscored Allah's compassion and the importance of obedience. This event is commemorated by Muslims worldwide during the festival of Eid al-Adha, reminding them of the virtues of obedience, sacrifice, and trust in Allah's plan. It serves as an enduring symbol of faith and devotion, inspiring believers to emulate the steadfastness of Ibrahim and Ismail in their own lives. Ibrahim's legacy did not end there. Alongside his son Ismail, he was given the divine task of building the Kaaba in Mecca, the sacred house of Allah. This monumental task was not just an architectural endeavor, but a spiritual journey marked by immense faith and dedication. Together, Ibrahim and Ismail toiled under the scorching desert sun, laying each brick with prayers and invocations to Allah. The Quran recounts this momentous event, highlighting their prayer. Our Lord, accept this from us. Indeed, you are the hearing, the knowing. Quran 2:127. The Kaaba, with its simple yet profound design, was built to be the central point of monotheistic worship, symbolizing the unity of Allah and the oneness of His followers. The structure, built with love, deodio, and the utmost reverence, would become the focal point of worship for Muslims around the world. The Kaaba stands as a testament to Ibrahim's unwavering faith and submission to Allah. The rituals of Hajj performed by Muslims annually retrace the steps of Ibrahim and his family, keeping his legacy alive and vibrant. Pilgrims from every corner of the globe gather to circle the Kaaba, perform the sa'i between Safa and Marwa, and stand in prayer at the plains of Arafat, emulating the acts of Ibrahim and Ismail. This annual pilgrimage not only commemorates Ibrahim's profound of devotion, but also serves to unite Muslims in a display of global brotherhood and adherence to the principles of monotheism. The Kaaba thus remains a living symbol of Ibrahim's enduring faith, a message of submission to the one true God. Throughout his life, Ibrahim exemplified the true essence of faith and devotion. His story is one of resilience, unwavering belief, and a relentless pursuit of truth. He questioned the norms of his society, stood firm in the face of adversity, and emerged as a guiding light for generations to come. His unwavering faith made him a model of submission to Allah, and his legacy continues to inspire millions. The Quran honors Ibrahim with the title Khalilullah, meaning the friend of Allah, highlighting his close and special relationship with the Almighty. As we reflect on the life and trials of Hazrat Ibrahim, alayhi salam, let us remember the importance of steadfast faith and complete trust in Allah's wisdom. His story teaches us that true devotion often requires immense sacrifice, but with faith and perseverance, Allah's blessings are always near. Ibrahim's life is a powerful reminder that one person's unwavering commitment to the truth can transform societies and shape the course of history. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the life of Hazrat Ibrahim, alayhi salam. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more enriching content. May Allah guide us all on the path of righteousness. And until next time, Assalamu alaikum.